What's up learners, welcome to a new video of Tech Codex. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you make you recrawl anyone in just 2 seconds with the help of website. So for that, open a folder in VS Code, then after name it index.html. Click on the new file, and after this arrow comes, type index.html. You can type anything you want, just put .html at last. So after it opens, directly let it be drawn. Then after, let's type exclamation mark here. So when we type exclamation mark, you just see the magic. All HTML basic code will be opened in VS Code. So let us write here. So we are going to fool a friend by using these images, not these images, only by title. So images friend name. So in, you can write images and friend name. So what's your friend name? You can write friend name. So let's write a href is equals to. So let's open the Chrome first of all, and then after, when Chrome is opening, please like the video and subscribe the channel. After the Google Chrome open, let's select our the user first, and when user is selecting, till then I will just write anything on the code. So my this Chrome is also open, so let me open my one thing and let's go to youtube.com. So after we go to youtube.com, let it be opened first. So it is being loading. So first of all, let's write here, see your images. Okay, after we write see your images, then after let YouTube will be open, and right here target is equals to underscore blank. That you can't do reverse because you will be in new page. So let us write target is equals to underscore blank. Okay, so target is equals to underscore blank. Let's remove that blank. Okay, and after, now our YouTube is open, so let us open that YouTube. Otherwise we can add style tag. So let us style tag for the first. Okay, after we type style tag, sorry for this screen. After we type style tag, just after we type style tag, just give a style to it. So let me give the color white. No, let me just keep the color default because it may be correct option. Now let me see if white and blank are working or not. So let me write color white. Okay, my color white, and let me add to body also, not body. Okay, body color black. Okay, after we write color black, this is white and black combination. I think I'm going to just remove it. Okay, then after, let's write here text decoration. No, let's don't write here because text decoration will be very much foolish thing to do. So then after, let's write here click here, and let's keep parentheses. Then after, let's go to youtube.com. Okay, my youtube.com wasn't open, so let's go to youtube.com. Let me maximize the place, or and let us search RickRoll. I'm not making you RickRoll here, but also let's see, this is youtube.com. Okay, this is youtube.com, and let us start live server in PS Code to see how it is looking like. So it is looking like this. How, I'll say you, because I'm not add anything on the a anchor text, so that is why. So I think I should remove it. I should not do anything hard work. So let us just do smart work and just erase that style tag. So I'll erase that style tag, and I'll search a RickRoll also. Okay, this is, and let me go to search RickRoll. So in RickRoll, in YouTube videos, there will be one different link. You can, if you know, then we will copy that link. Okay, now you can just see I'm clicking on the RickRoll, and this is what is equals to be DQ W4 W9, that blah 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 blah. So let us go to this, and let us copy this. Oh, okay, copy, and let us go to VS Code. And after we go to VS Code, let's go to href, right click, paste. Okay, now if we will click in that see your images, click here, then we will go directly to that YouTube video. So why that error was coming, so let me tell you that. So we need to remove that style tag because my graphics has some problem, and it is incorrect code, by the way. So let's go now. This much for the video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, like it till and if you subscribe, want to subscribe the channel, subscribe it. If you find the video helpful, till then keep learning, keep growing. Bye. If you want to know how to put this website in internet for free, then click on the right video.